Naka-video yan!
Oo nga.
Oh. Ay, record!
Welcome to my video tutorial about stock in queues.
So, here is the problem. Using the R implementation of stacks, create a console program that does the following. 1. Display the following menu. Add notebook, check notebook, pick at notebook, check all, exit. Then 2, 3, 4, 5 tells the what these functions do from 1 to 4. 2 is to 1, which is just adds the name of the notebook's owner, which is just the user will be prompted to enter the name of the notebook's owner. Then 3, check notebook. A message names notebook is being checked. The notebooks then pop from the stack. 4, 3, pick a notebook. I will display the name of the person who owns the notebook at the top of the stack. 5, check all. Will check all the notebooks and make the stack null. Then 6, keep displaying the menu until the user chooses 5, which is exit. So here is the solution I made. And so we have all the functions: add notebook, check notebook, pick, check all. So there's 2 additional functions I created. Print, which as you update the stack, it prints the updated stack, and then SMD, just to avoid some errors that you might run to if we do certain functions. So here, as you can see, we have this side which uses the isEmpty function, and also here. So in this part, we will try to check if the stack is empty, and if the stack is empty, you will just skip through back to the menu, because if we go straight to the check notebook and pops a stack that is empty, it will just prompt an error and the program will stop. So this thing is created, this condition is created just to avoid the error prompt. So, and over here, just check if there is any inputs in the stack, it will print them. If there is none, then it won't print. So let's start with a demo. So I'm gonna input 3 names. So here, as you can see, we inputted the one which is the add notebook function. Then it prompts the user to add the name of the owner's notebook. So here, as you input the name, it will add the name to the function, to the stack, and then it will go back to the menu. Then yes, keeps doing it for 3 times, because we inputted 3 names using the first function 3 times. Now we're gonna use the pick, which just tells the top the name of the owner the last we inputted. So here we go. As you can see, the last we inputted is Grant, and it prints the name Grant, but it never pops out the Grant input. So we're gonna try to which will it do is we will prompt the message Grant's notebook is being checked, and then it will get popped. As you can see, it is now here, the prompt message, and then it got popped. So there's only just Jack and Kent name in the stack. So we're gonna try check all. So here we go. All of the notebooks are getting checked, Jack and Kent, and then as you can see, as I said, the stack is empty. There will be no more printing, so it didn't print, which means that the stack is now empty. So yeah, I'm done the add notebook, check notebook, pick, check all. So we're gonna exit, and that's the solution I made.
Ang program na ito ay tinatawag ding consult program na may madalas nyo makikita sa isang hospital na para malaman kung ano ang pagkakasunod ng mga pasyenteng gusto magpakonsulta. Number 1, sign up for doctor's consultation. 2, for enter room. 3, for begin a consultation. 4, closing time. And 5, exit. Si display ang nagpa-process para malaman kung ilan man bang data ang nakukuha niya galing kay user. Is empty naman ang tika-check kung ang list natin is empty or walang laman. At yung def in queue, siya naman ang nagpa-process para dumagdag ng mga data na gustong ipasok ng mga user. At ang dequeue naman, siya naman ang magbabawas dun sa pinaka-unang pumasok na data galing kay user. Gumawa kami ng menu ng pagkakasunod-sunod ng pwedeng makuha natin sa isang hospital about queuing program. Dito naman sa part na to, makikita natin kung paano nagpa-process nasa menu para ma-store ang mga datang nakukuha niya kay user. Ito na ang pinaka-final output ng ating program. So, subukan na natin. 1, then how many patients you want to get consultations. 2, susulat ko si pangalan ni Ray at the bar. Next, piliin ko si 2, enter room. Then lumabas na nagprint na yung pangalan ng pasyente na si Ray at si Bar. Then para sa begin a consultation, so niremove niya na si first patient ng pangalan ni Ray. Then ang latest patient name na lang is si Bar. Next, si 4, closing time. Then i-remove niya lahat ng pangalan ng pasyente. Then lastly, si 5 for exit. At i-terminate niya na yung buong program. Maraming salamat sa pakikinig.